Hey, it's Christine Faulkner with Cava and Faulkner. I am an Elk Grove Living Trust lawyer, Sacramento estate planning lawyer. Thanks for tuning in for another edition of Catching Up with Christine. And today I'm going to do a really short video for a change. And this just kind of struck me, and I thought that I would talk about a couple of things. So I know, one of the things that you might be thinking about lawyers is you can't understand all of that legal stuff. And I was out kind of walking my dogs thinking, what are a couple of words that people wonder about or ask about? And so I thought I would just tell you what some of those means. And so the word shall. So for those of you that are Lord of the Rings fans, it makes me remember the time when Gandalf is fighting the dragon, and he says, he holds up his staff and he says, "You shall not pass." I love that. That's one of the best scenes in the movie. So the word shall in legal documents is a mandate. So when you're looking at estate planning documents, the word shall means that your agent, your trustee, your personal representative, the, power of attorney agent, whoever, does not have discretion. It means that they shall do a certain act, versus may. And so I thought of, Mother May I, that game that we used to play when we were kids. Yeah, when asking your mother, it is pretty much a black or white thing, but the word may is permissive, which means that your agent, your trustee, has the discretion to decide. They may or they may not. They're not required to do any specific act. It means they get to choose. And so how those words are used in your estate plan can have a really, really important impact, especially when it comes to, requiring a trustee to do certain acts with respect to your children, especially when it comes to giving money. So the word shall requires your trustee to make a specific distribution if your plan has that specific requirement, versus a discretionary may means that your trustee has the ability to look at the totality of the circumstances and decide for themselves whether they will actually make a distribution to your children or they won't. So it can have a big impact, just the difference between the word shall and may. And so tune in tomorrow, because I'm going to be talking about another, a word that is kind of a term of art in the legal estate planning world that a lot of people ask me about. I'll go into that tomorrow. And it has to do with distribution of your assets to your children and your descendants. So I'll talk to you about that then. Thanks so much for tuning in. It was a quick, short, and sweet tutorial video today on the difference between shall and may, and how important it is to be very clear on when those words should be used in your planning documents to get the outcome you want. So like our videos, subscribe to our channel if you like what we're doing here, and let YouTube know that we're actually doing a good job. And if you do need some information about estate planning, you really have no idea where to start, reach out to us. We're here to help, happy to give you guidance. And if you do need to have an estate plan, check out some of our other videos to get a better feel for how we work with people. And if you want to get more information or take the next step, give us a jingle and we're here to help. Take care. Bye.